So this is a net in a cutout bottle we are using to filtrate palm wine in the village, guys. Enjoy this video whilst I show you how a tree is prepared for palm wine tapping. Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how palm wine is being tapped. A lot of people don't know palm wine, and many of you have not heard of palm wine before. Palm wine is a particular drink that is being gotten from a palm tree naturally. Okay, so we have people that are very skilled in it, that they can extract that juice from a palm tree locally. So guys, enjoy this video as I show you how to tap palm wine from a palm tree. So this is actually the man that is going to tap the palm wine. He is called a palm wine tapper. He's sharpening his tools for the work. I mean, he's going to show us how a tree is being prepared for palm wine tapping. So he sharpened all his tools. I don't know the name of the tools, but I would look for them and put them on the screen, guys. So he was busily sharpening them, and then I was like, okay, I'll be asking you a lot of questions. He said, yeah, he's ready. So all the things you see him sharpening here, he used them all at the farm or on the tree. So guys, palm wine is very healthy. It's very sweet. I even asked him for so many health benefits, and he mentioned them. And I'll be showing you guys in different videos how palm wine looks like and how it tastes. So guys, we are moving to where there is palm nut tree. We are going to start from the scratch on how it is being processed. Okay, so yeah guys, let's go. So guys, this is the tree we are going to be working on. This is the tree we are going to work on. Okay, yeah, so he's going to show all of us how a tree is being prepared to tap the palm wine. So he was trying to remove the branches of the palm tree, and that was what he was doing. He removed the branches from the top of the tree to the down to the so sideways. Guys, I've forgotten the name of that metal on the wood there. I would find out and write it on the screen. So he's using the longer one, and he has the shorter one too, like this. So I want to ask him the difference and whether no. Deɛ na wode yɛ na wei so deɛ na wode yɛ? We di ɛno yiyi papa ne nyinaa firi ho. Okay, papa no. Okay. So he's saying he's using it to actually remove the branches on the palm tree. Okay? So the bigger one is for removing the branches on the palm tree. Okay? I mean, this is not an easy job. It is not an easy job. So if you see any palm wine tapper, you have to respect that person. You have to respect that person because their job is not easy. You have to remove the branches one after the other so you get to where you can harvest, you know. I mean, that's hard work. So at this point, he was using the cutlass to cut off the branches so that removing it will be easier for him. Guys, this job is not easy. Like, he was using his strength, a lot of strength to do this. And as you guys can see, he was using a smaller knife or cutlass, I should say, to remove the things that are on this particular palm tree, like nets. I don't know, but that's how it looks like, guys. He was doing it really good, you know. And these nets are in stages. As you remove one, there is another under. As you are removing, there are so many under. So he had to take his time and remove them one after the other, guys. Oh my goodness. I mean, this man was just very good at what he was doing. Yeah, so at this point, he continued to use the longer is it machete or what, to actually remove the remaining short branches that are remained
So these things are
on
looking
the
like
tree.
nets.
So he continued
So he's
to
removing
remove
them one after the other.
the things that look
As
like
you guys can
nets
see,
on it. I mean, the
they look
coverings
like
were many,
nets, right?
and he had to take his
So we'll
time,
just
remove
remove
them
them
one after the other, guys.
one after the other.
Omo, this job is
Okay.
not easy. Palm wine tapping is not easy, but he enjoys what he's
So
doing.
he continues
He
to
was so
remove some
happy
of the
telling me
branches.
everything about the palm wine tapping, and I was so happy because any question I asked him, he really answered me really well. Like, I'm just so
I was
happy,
sure.
guys. So as you are enjoying this video, also learn how
Nice.
they tap palm wine in Africa, especially in the villages. Most people do not know palm wine. Palm wine is a type of drink, or should I say beverage, that is found on palm nuts, and there is a way they do it, and that's what we are coming to learn now.
Okay, so we are almost done. We are at the part where we are supposed to create the hole for the palm wine to penetrate. Pacho, and I say I drew baby, I say yeah tokuro. Okay, so he's here to now create the hole for the palm wine to penetrate. Guys, let's see how he's gonna do it though. I'll be asking him questions, okay? So you guys will understand what is going on. So now he's going to fix this one for the creation of the hole. Uh, yes, the hole at which the palm wine will come out of.
This is wonderful for human to sit down and think that you can actually get a drink from this particular tree. I mean, that's wonderful. The way he is going by the process alone, it's just so unique, guys. Like, human is so blessed with wisdom. I was just watching and thinking about so many things on my mind whilst I was videoing him. Like, everything looks so simple and so, I don't know, guys. Oh my god.
So you create the hole very deep. Patrana, ubema na kofompa.
I see. I see.
Mhm.
I see.
Okay. So ubeye den husasi.
Say you.
Mm.
You do dia. You
I
can say.
see.
I see.
Mhm.
Nay na ankasani. Say
Okay.
be ansani free ban.
Mm-mm.
Anyway.
Okay. So he's saying that there's a particular layer. When it gets to that layer, that means you should stop there. And he has gotten to that layer. So he would definitely stop from there. Palm wine. Uh-huh. Okay, so I just asked him, he's saying that you start harvesting from here. Okay, so every day he'll be cutting part of this, cutting till he ends here. If it gets here, that's it. There is no way palm wine will get out of it again. So this is the starting hole. Okay, this is the starting hole. You harvest till you get here. Pacho, say, we say a bit take time, say na aba.
1 month 3 weeks.
Me pacho say,
Neighbor. Oh. Echina minya twa ni mu echina no pa. Ifi ko na neighbor.
Ochilanopa, from Ochilanopa.
Ya ko ni.
Okay, so I asked him when the palm wine will start coming, and he's saying that from tomorrow morning going, we should be expecting palm wine on this particular tree. Okay, temperature ube kata so no. Okay, so he's saying he's now going to cover it. Let's see how he covers it. Temperature, wait me kata. Okay, one layer, two layers, and then the last one. Oh my God. I mean, he's a professional palm wine tapper. I trust his skills. So this is like where you the end? Drew Bay. Okay. So this is like a straw, right? But it's from a tree. And I bamboo.
Pampru.
Pampro. Okay, it's a type of a tree. So he would connect this particular thing to the down part of the tree so that you see he's using this metal to penetrate a hole okay, to penetrate a hole so that that particular thing, the straw like this, can go into it. Okay. Wow. Wow. We have skills and we have skills. This is African skills. Okay? Yes. African skills. You can't get it anywhere unless in Africa. So you put the straw inside it and then he would heat it so it to go to penetrate down to the other side.
I'm finished my work.
Oh my God, he's done with his work. He has finished his work. Did you hear that? Guys, I think he deserves coffee. He deserves coffee. Super chat, please, guys. Thank you so much. So I'll show you guys how it has been penetrated and how we would see it. So guys, the other side, see, it has appeared here. It has appeared here. So if you put your cup, your bottle, whatever, overnight, you come and then you have palm wine in it. Okay. So yeah, we are literally done with our work here. So have you guys seen how we prepare palm tree for palm wine? Yes, that is it, guys. Thank you.